Lighting is so important in any space. It sets the mood and the vibe that you feel when you enter the home. They kind of say you should have around 5 different types of lighting in each space, which sounds like a lot. It's task, it's ambient, it's overhead, and lighting these days is not just lighting for utilitarian purposes, it's really more sculptural and artistic expression. And so they don't have to all be the same finish. They don't all have to have the same shape or style. They can each, in their designated room, kind of be its own interesting piece. Even if you're trying to make a statement with lighting in a room, it doesn't mean you have to go big. It doesn't mean it has to be this massive, oversized thing in order to create interest. It can be on a smaller scale so long as you're just paying attention to the details of the fixture and the material. The design of the fixture can speak for itself, no matter the size.